Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you how to make any website an app. Okay, so this is a cheat code here. We actually scratch that. So we're going to make this site Gemini into an app. Okay, so you can make any site an app just like going here. Okay, and then going to the top right on the three dots, and this is only on Microsoft Edge, by the way. But you go to More Tools, and then you go to Apps, and then it will install this site as an app. So whenever you want to go back to this site, you'll just click on it and then hit allow. And then you can even make it on the bottom as a taskbar. So it's an icon on here. So you can X out of it and just click on it again, and then it comes back up. This makes it like an application, just like it's on Android or something like that or anything else. And it acts like one too. Um, if you ever want to go to browser task manager, you can open it up and see what utilities are running here. You can refresh the page right there. You have the sidebar, which you can also search up things as well. And then if you hit this, you can also go to the app settings and clear the cookies if you wanted to here from the privacy settings from cookies and site and data. Um, and yeah, so that's how you make any site an app. You just go to the three dots again, go to more tools and go to apps and install the app. A site is an app, and now I have Bing as an app on here, right? So you can do it for any app, any website. Let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.